7 BJP MLAs in 70-member Delhi Assembly. No Chief Minister's face in 2025, but Prime Minister Modi the star campaigner and his Modi guarantees. Can the BJP upset the AAP era of 10 years? Once the party in power for 15 years, it's a survival battle in 2025 for the Congress party in Delhi elections. Can the promise of a freebie, especially the campaigning by the local candidates, avenge the defeat of former CM Sheila Dikshit? Finally, the party that repeatedly received a thumping majority and made Arvind Kejriwal the giant factor that he has become in Delhi politics. But over 10 years later, on one side the work done, on another controversies galore. Will the Aam Aadmi vote again for the Aam Aadmi Party's Chief Minister's candidate? I'm standing in front of the Baha'i Yusuf worship, or as many people across India know it, as the Lotus Temple, one of the big landmarks of Delhi, reflecting unity in diversity. So therefore, today I'm going to take you to the Greater Kailash Assembly constituency, a very interesting one. Posh, affluent neighborhood, but also urbanized villages. Let's find out what do the people of Delhi have to say. आगे ग्रेटर कैलाश में छोड़ दोगे मुझे जाना है काम पे. Alright, let's go. It's the electric rickshaw in Delhi, and well, what's better than a lady driver? That's the best part about Delhi. Everyone is allowed into the city, and everyone has an opportunity. चलिए आगे तक जाएंगे ग्रेटर कैलाश. चलिए.
और अभी हम चला रहे हैं तो हम लोग को बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है कि जैसा भी है, कम से कम हम लोग को काम मिला हुआ है, घर चलाने का एक जरिया मिला हुआ है, तो हम लोग को बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है मैम.
परिवार में और भी लोग हैं आपके?
हाँ मैम, मेरी 3 बेटियां हैं मैम, 1 बेटा है मेरा.
आपके लिए क्या करना चाहिए दिल्ली के नेताओं को?
मैम मेरा बेटा है जिसकी जॉब नहीं है, वो अभी घर में ही है, और मैं चाहूँगी अगर ऐसा हो सकता है तो मेरे बेटे की जॉब लग जाए कहीं पर, तो मेरे लिए एक हेल्प हो जाएगी.
So we've reached our Greater Kailash constituency, and what an inspiring story to begin with. That's what I love about my Delhi. It's for everyone. Greater Kailash is one of the 70 assembly constituencies for Delhi, primarily a posh, affluent neighborhood in the South Delhi district, including areas like the Panchsheel Enclave, Shahpur Jat and Siri Fort. The constituency is represented by 3-time Aam Aadmi Party MLA Saurabh Bhardwaj since 2013, and giving a tough fight to him from Bharatiya Janata Party is sitting municipal councillor Shikhar Rai, campaigning heavily across the GK constituency. The Congress party meanwhile has fielded Garvit Singhvi. In this assembly segment, caste and community politics does not usually garner attention. Instead, the expectation is to maintain the infrastructure development. मैं भी एक चाय लूंगी. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. So these are the residents of Greater Kailash 1, especially Pamposh Enclave. Of course, I thought that I'll come in with their chai pe charcha and talk to them. Let's begin, sir, with you. Election season is on. Nationalistic fervor is also on. But election, what does it mean for a resident of Greater Kailash constituency? Delhi elections.
Elections are very important for everybody. बहुत सारी कमियां सरकार की रह जाती हैं, और हमारी कॉलोनी के हिसाब से देखें तो जैसे हमारी आम आदमी पार्टी है जिसके अंडर PWD आती है, स्पेशली हमारी सारी अप्रोचिंग रोड्स जितनी भी हैं सारी टूटी फूटी हैं.
Are you saying vote should not be divided? Everyone should vote one.
And secondly, there should be a synchronization of the elected representatives' term and the RW representatives' term.
Okay. I want to talk to some more women. I see women also hiding here. I don't want women to hide. Come. I want these women very strong-worded. You tell me, ma'am, that what is your expectation from Delhi elections, from GK constituency, from your netas?
I have no expectations from them at all.
None of them?
Because they are all intellectually bankrupt. They have no blue plan for, say, pollution. Then they don't know how to handle healthcare. And on top of it, they are giving us freebies. And they have made it legal.
Every party is giving freebies.
Everybody is giving freebies. It is like a cash for vote scam. And the people are falling for it. And from where are they going to get money? At whose cost are they going to get money?
Are you saying pollution, cleanliness are not issues for our netas?
They are the main issues.
But they don't.
They should be. No, they don't care. They just want to give you money in some other form. लाडली scheme, लाडली बहना, लाडली वो, बेटी वो, ये और बेटी के लिए तो असल में तो कुछ नहीं हो रहा है.
The only issue today in Delhi is my children don't want to come to north of India for pollution. So I will confine myself to an issue of pollution.
को लगता है कि कुछ हुआ नहीं डेवलपमेंट पिछले कुछ सालों में. शीला दीक्षित के टाइम हुआ था.
यस, जितने भी आपको फ्लाईओवर्स दिखाई देंगे, जो भी डेवलपमेंट था, शीला दीक्षित ने डिड वेरी वेल.
आम आदमी पार्टी says, look what we have done for health, education, schools, we have catered to everyone.
I guess they did and nothing except corruption.
Corruption, okay.
Ma'am, the only thing is that New Delhi is the capital of India.
That's true.
It should look like that. And if they've done the work, it should be seen by everyone. Why it
should
not?
look different from rest of India.
If you have done so good, then you need not even campaign.
You can, through these political rallies and giving these freebies, you can convince the lower socio-economic categories, you can convince the uneducated. You cannot convince the classes like here, you know. You have to do something differently for us. We are in this colony. I have lived in this colony all my life. We have issues of electricity, water, roads, which has never been rectified by any party.
What, as someone who's been fairly educated, settled in a good neighborhood of Delhi and in the capital city, what would be your expectation from the leaders watching? Prime Minister Modi is campaigning, Yogi Adityanath is saying, look, your Yamuna is not as clean as the Prayagraj where I can take a dip. Do you think it's a correct assessment to say that even your rivers...
It is. I mean, for me right now, the biggest problem is the pollution here. The pollution and of course Yamuna is also polluted. So these two are the two main concerns for me.
When the February 5 elections come, can we get that?
Yes,
any party, you'll vote.
We'll vote.
You'll not sit at home and say that.
Everybody will vote.
Okay. Pollution is the number one problem. It is causing slow death of the resident, which can be avoided.
But not the biggest issue?
No, it is the biggest issue.
In elections, I mean, for
in
netas.
In election, it is the biggest issue and nobody is talking about it. That is very unfortunate.
So these are very strong-minded, opinionated residents of Pamposh Enclave in Greater Kailash 1. A good neighborhood, good constituency, but they also have their angst. It's an important factor. Amid the freebies war, are we ignoring a certain important group of the voters as well? They want to vote, they will vote. But who they vote for will be decided on February 5.